I have reviewed thousands of SQL queries. These 10 anti-patterns show up in 80% of them. 5 deep dives, 5 rapid fire, 1 universal takeaway. I'm Vera, 17 years in data and AI, distilled. Here are all 10. Select star, not in with nulls. Where on calculated column. Distinct to mask bad joins. Union when union all works. Multiple count in one query. In list with over 100 items. Subquery-in-SELECT. Implicit type casts. Cursor when set-based works. We'll deep dive the top 5, then rapid fire the rest. Anti-pattern 1. Select star. 2 problems. 1. You pull every column over the network slow. 2. When a new column is added upstream, your downstream code breaks because it now sees a field it didn't expect. Always list columns explicitly. Anti-pattern 2. Not in with nulls. Classic silent bug. If the subquery returns even one null, the entire not in returns no rows. None. Use not exists instead. Same intent. Null safe. Often faster too. Anti-pattern 3. A function on a column in the where clause. The moment you wrap the column in date or lower or any function, your index becomes useless. The database scans every row. Rewrite as a range. Push the function onto the constant, leave the column raw. Anti-pattern 4. Distinct to mask a bad join. If you added distinct to fix duplicate rows, you didn't fix the duplicate rows, you hid them. The join is exploding the result set. Use exists instead, or fix the join condition. Distinct is a smell. Anti-pattern 5. Union when union all works. Union sorts the combined result and removes duplicates. Union all just appends. If you don't need dedup, and 90% of the time you don't, union all is 5 times faster. Default to union all. Rapid fire on the other 5. 6. Multiple count in one query. Use count filter for one scan, many counts. 7. In list with over 100 items. Push it into a temp table. 8. Subquery-in-SELECT. Move it to a join or a window function. 9. Implicit type casts. Cast the constant, not the column. 10. Cursors. If you wrote a cursor, you wrote a slow loop. SQL is set-based. Subscribe to Data and at I with Vera. Tomorrow, JSON in SQL. Stop unnesting in Python.